Sir, answer 1.45 meters,
You're not getting
which is equal to 1.45.
This one you're not getting 0.18.
Sir, I getting, sir.
You got it. Okay. Check please. Too slowly. First split this term properly. 900 into 9.81 into 2. It's 17,658, I think. 17,658 is one term. Plus 900 into 9.8. 8,829 H. Here two terms you'll get. 8,829 H is one term, and one more is 17,000 something you'll get. Plus this
Sir?
full term. Just tell.
Yes, came sir 0.181.
Same answer you got. Okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
Others, please try to solve it. At present, you write the answer. We need to solve one more problem. We have only 15 minutes time. Okay. Shall I go for the next problem? Okay. Right. Please take the next problem. A differential manometer is connected at 2 points A and B as shown in the figure. At B, air pressure is 9.81 Newton per centimeter square. Find the pressure at A. Okay, please copy the question here. The diagram also you can copy because he gave the diagram in the figure. So at point A, it is a oil of specific gravity 0.9. In the diagram he is given. In the question he is not given anything. In the diagram he has mentioned many things. See there. At point A, we have an oil of specific gravity 0.9. And at point B, if you see, it is combination of air and water. But only some part of the pipe is filled with water. Remaining air is there. Okay. So up to water only we are taking the height here. That is given here. So 60 centimeter is the height of the water above your left limb. And the difference in the manometer fluid is 10 centimeters. And the right limb, the oil of specific gravity is of at height of 20 centimeters. So the three heights is given. Yes, mute yourself. Okay. Draw the diagram also, please, because in the diagram only I have given the things which we want to know. Specific gravity is given, heights is given, and mercury also is said, but we already know mercury specific gravity is 13.6. Right after that, please write on the given data. So what he gave in the question, you see at B, air pressure is 9.81 Newton per centimeter square. So take PP value is 9.81. Here it is in Newton per centimeter square. So convert it into Newton per meter square. So multiply it with 10 power 4. (9.81 into 10 power 4 Newton per meter square). Next, we need to know the density of the fluid flowing in the pipe A. So he gave the specific gravity 0.9. So density of that A, density A equal to 0.9 into 1000. Write on that density rho A equal to 0.9 into 1000. So that is 900 kg per meter cube. 900 kg per meter cube. After that, density of mercury we need to find. So specific gravity already we know. That is 13.6 into 1000. So 13,600 kg per meter cube. Next. density of water here in the point in the B, in the pipe B, we have water. So the density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. Right. Next, write down. So pressure at A, we don't know. So that we need to find. So PA we need to find. Now take pressure in the pressure above the datum line in the right limb. Pressure above the datum line in the right limb. So what you will get? How many are there? So pressure in the B point already it is given to us. So PB inside this tube it is PB. So PB is given. Next, how much height of water is there? This air is given. We need to take this as the water height H. Okay, full height. So what you will get? PB plus this is water. So density of water rho into G into H value is 60 centimeter. It is given. So we need to convert this into meters. How many meters? 60 centimeter equal to? In meters, what is 60 centimeter?
0.6 meters.
Yes, 0.6 meters. So height is 0.6 meters here. So write down. So what you will get? So two pressures are available. One is the pressure of air. So here we are taking only water height as this one. So 1000 into 9.81 into 0.6 is the height because of the water height plus PB. So PB is the pressure created because of the air that is given to us already. 9.81 into 10 power 4. So substitute these values. You will get the PB. Please take the value 9.81 into 10 power 4. (9.81 into 10 power 4). Substitute the value PB also here. Then tell the value how much you are getting.
103,986, sir.
103,986 Newton per meter square. 103,986 Newton per meter square. Okay. After that, now see the left side limb. In the left limb, how many pressures you will get above the datum line?
2 pressures.
2 pressures because of the height in the pipe. One is this fluid and one is this mercury fluid and one is the unknown fluid PA, unknown pressure PA in the pipe. So totally 3 will be there. PA plus rho G into this height plus rho G into this height. Rho changes for these two fluids because two fluids are different. Right after this 103,986 you write pressure above the datum line in the left limb. Pressure above the datum line in left limb. Pressure above the datum line in the left limb is equals to PA plus. So first this fluid is rho A, density A. So rho A into G into 20 centimeter it is given. So convert it into meters, 0.2 meter. So rho A into G into 0.2 meter plus for mercury, next fluid, this 10 centimeters height. Mercury's density is rho M. So rho M into G into 10 centimeter is nothing but 0.1 meter. So into 0.1. Those are the two column heights. One is this oil, one is the mercury. So that two pressures will be there plus PA. So this is the equation you will get here in the left limb. Pressures above the datum line in the left limb. Pressure above the datum line in the left limb. Right. So now what you will do after this? Equating the pressure, next point you can write, by equating the pressure above the datum line in the left and right limb, we get this term. Equate both. So what you will get 103,986 is equals to these terms. Multiply these all terms 900 into 9.81 into 0.2 and these terms left limb pressures. So you'll get one equation form like this. From that you find PA. Yes. What is the value PA?
6.8.
0.8.
88878.6 Newton per meter.
78.6, sir.
888.
888 76.
88878.
Yes. PA equal to 888
8.6.
8.6. Maybe I have written wrong. Check it properly. 888 78.6.
78.6.
Okay, 78.6. Please write down correctly. I have written wrong here. 888 78.6 Newton per meter square. One second. Plate 78.6 Newton per meter square. Okay, for the next topic, we have only less time today, so I'll stop it here. Have you copied this problem? Shall I stop sharing slide?
Yes, sir. Completed.
That's anybody who need time to write this, please inform me.